Let me look. You're beautiful. What do you think about it?
I love them.
Yeah. You got the clear braces, and you chose to not do some colors. Do you have some an event coming up that you wanted them to be invisible?
Yes, ma'am.
What's going on?
I'm doing a pageant this weekend.
Okay. Good. And you're gonna do some performing.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your performance? What's your talent?
And baton.
Oh, wonderful. Good. They feel a little funny right now, don't they? They're new and different, but they sure do look good.
Thank you.
What do you think, Mom? Are you pleased?
I'm very pleased. You just smile, Allie. You can't even tell that she has braces. I mean, it's just wonderful. Everything is just, and unless you knew that she has braces, you wouldn't know it. So I'm very pleased.
Well, you get her up on stage at the performance, and they won't see a thing.
Absolutely.
It is just crystal clear.
It's very nice. I mean, I am more than thrilled. They have turned out way better than I even expected. So they're going to be beautiful. I know the before and after is just probably going to be a phenomenal difference. So we're excited about it, and glad that we've begun the journey now, and
Excellent.
just time now we'll go through everything and all the processes. But this is wonderful. I'm very pleased.
Yeah, I think with what she's doing with her pageants and her stage performances and such, yeah, you can't beat it.
I know. I would encourage anyone who has a child that does things like that and then reluctant about putting braces on them for a reason that would hinder their appearances on stage, that to definitely go this route, because it is wonderful.
Perfect. Let me see one big last smile.